Have you ever felt the Rubik's Cube was impossible? Well, I just found a way that's easy and quick to learn. Keep watching to find out.
So first we have to look at the top side and see edges that have no yellow. Here, this one. So we look at the top and the color is blue, and that there is a blue middle piece in the right. So then we push it away from the blue, and then do the right algorithm once and then turn the cube to the left and do the left algorithm. This may be a lot to remember, so you can pause the video anytime. Here, another one. So let's match that orange to the middle orange piece. There is a green on top, so we have to push it away from it. And then do the left algorithm first. And then move the cube to the right, and then do the right algorithm once. Now this is the last one. So there is red on top and there is red on the right. So we want to push it away. And if we push it to the left, then we do the right algorithm. And then turn the cube to the left and do the left algorithm. So that's it, and that is how we do the second layer. Hope you enjoyed and see you in the next one.